Welcome to another John Long Silver Rails. Today we're talking about very inexpensive MPC train sets. This little Southern number 8302 was made in 1973 until 1976. In excellent condition, it's worth $10. So, it's according to my standard catalog of MPC trains, edited by Justin Moen, M-O-E-N. It's a good book. Doesn't say much about the train though, or the locomotive. Missing the bell. I've got one ordered to replace it. I took it apart to lubricate it, and yes, it's seems to be an AC motor instead of a DC. And this one here, it's the same thing almost, except for the colors and stuff. 8625. It has a can motor in it. I don't know when it was made, but it's a little different. And it has trouble pulling. The wheels slip. This one does not have a traction tire. This one does. But this one, without the traction tire, doesn't seem to have magnet traction either, that I can tell. This pulls pretty good. Now I'll show you how it goes. And it has this little thing underneath the tender that rolls with the beads in it to make the noise. So it's a fine running little locomotive. I think I paid $10 or $12 for the whole set. There's a skinny little wire up under here that provides spring tension on the front truck. It fell out when I took the thing apart, but I figured out where it went and put it back in. It's just a 2-position reverse unit with no smoke. So I guess we can do a slideshow now to show you the individual cars that are with the set. But before I do that, let me get it back on the track and show you my project. This little Chesapeake and Ohio flat car, they're very inexpensive. Came with a set. And I had this plastic general type locomotive laying around. It's a floor toy. But using these erector set beams, I decided to mount it on this flat car just for the fun of it. I mean, really, if you're gonna have all these flat cars, you gotta have some kind of load, don't you? It's missing a brake wheel. I took the stakes off the side, but I've got brake wheels ordered for it. And I may paint the deck, or I may not, make some further improvements to it, but, well, it'd be nice if other YouTube channels would also do something with their flat cars, show each other what we can do, how creative we can be. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I've had this little locomotive laying around for years, a little floor toy. Finally figured out something I can do with it. Now for the slideshow. box car, the fixed door type. This one has the Scout trucks on it, but you can put the Lionel conversion couplers on and have it both ways. I've got the Scout truck on one side and the conversion coupler on the other. That way, it's the best of both worlds. This little car here, the Route of the Rockets, didn't come with this set. But the flat car, the hopper, the gondola, and the caboose, non-illuminated, no smokestack, it did come with a set. Southern caboose. Built 1973, it says on there. So, all I'm suggesting, I guess, is that we do something with our flat cars and have fun with the cheap sets. If you use your imagination as a child would, there's just as much fun as the expensive sets. So why not? Let's save even the lesser expensive sets and pass them on to the next generation. Well, I hope you liked this short video. Maybe we'll get some more up pretty soon. We'll see. And thanks for watching.